Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you stopping by and supporting this channel. Without good people like yourself, we can't make it out here in this vast digital space. With that said, today we're diving into a topic that almost everyone struggles with at some point: overthinking. If you've ever found yourself stuck in a loop of endless thoughts, replaying conversations, or worrying about things you can't control, you're definitely not alone. Overthinking can be exhausting, overwhelming, and can even hold you back from living your best life. The good news is you can learn to stop overthinking and calm your mind. In this video, I'll share practical strategies and tips to help you break free from the cycle of overthinking and find more peace in your daily life. Let's start by understanding what overthinking actually is. Overthinking is when you dwell on your thoughts excessively, often focusing on the negative or worrying about the future. It's like your mind is stuck in a loop, replaying the same scenarios over and over. This can lead to anxiety, stress, and even impact your physical health. The first step to overcoming overthinking is recognizing when it's happening. Pay attention to your thought patterns. Are you constantly second-guessing yourself? Do you replay conversations in your head, wondering if you said the right thing? Do you worry about things that haven't even happened yet? If so, you might be caught in the trap of overthinking. So how do we break free from this cycle? The first strategy is to practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is all about being present in the moment and observing your thoughts without judgment. When you notice yourself overthinking, take a deep breath and bring your attention back to the present. You can do this by focusing on your breath, noticing the sensations in your body, or simply observing your surroundings. Mindfulness helps you create space between you and your thoughts, making it easier to let go of the ones that aren't serving you. Another powerful technique is to challenge your thoughts. Not every thought you have is true or helpful. When you catch yourself overthinking, ask yourself, is this thought based on facts, or is it just my mind making assumptions? What evidence do I have that this will actually happen? Often you'll find that your worries are based on fears rather than reality. By questioning your thoughts, you can start to break the habit of believing everything your mind tells you. It's also important to set aside time for reflection. Instead of letting your thoughts run wild all day, designate a specific time to think about your worries or concerns. This could be 10 or 15 minutes in the evening. During this time, write down what's on your mind, and then, when the time is up, do your best to let those thoughts go. This practice helps contain your worries and prevents them from taking over your entire day. Physical activity is another great way to calm your mind. Exercise releases endorphins, which are natural mood boosters. Whether it's going for a walk, hitting the gym, or practicing yoga, moving your body can help shift your focus away from your thoughts and into the present moment. Plus, regular exercise has been shown to reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, making it a powerful tool for managing overthinking. Let's not forget the importance of self-compassion. Overthinkers are often their own harshest critics. If you catch yourself spiraling, try to treat yourself with the same kindness you'd offer a friend. Remind yourself that it's okay to make mistakes and that you're doing your best. Self-compassion can help break the cycle of negative self-talk that fuels overthinking. Another helpful tip is to limit your exposure to information overload. In today's digital age, we're constantly bombarded with news, social media, and notifications. This can make it even harder to quiet your mind. Try setting boundaries with your devices. Take breaks from screens, especially before bed, and give yourself permission to unplug. Creating a calm environment can make a big difference in your ability to relax and focus. Journaling is another effective way to process your thoughts. When you write things down, it helps you organize your mind and gain perspective. You might notice patterns in your thinking or realize that some worries aren't as big as they seemed. Journaling can also be a safe space to express your feelings without judgment. If you find that overthinking is interfering with your daily life, don't hesitate to reach out for support. Talking to a trusted friend, family member, or mental health professional can provide valuable perspective and help you develop coping strategies. Remember, you don't have to go through this alone. Let's talk about the power of gratitude. When you focus on what you're grateful for, it shifts your attention away from worries and towards the positive aspects of your life. Try starting or ending your day by listing 3 things you're thankful for. This simple practice can help rewire your brain to notice the good rather than getting stuck in negative thought patterns. Another strategy is to practice acceptance. Sometimes we overthink because we're trying to control things that are simply out of our hands. Learning to accept uncertainty and let go of the need for control can be incredibly freeing. Remind yourself that it's okay not to have all the answers and that life is full of unknowns. Breathing exercises can also be a quick and effective way to calm your mind. When you're feeling overwhelmed, try taking a few slow, deep breaths. Inhale for a count of 4, hold for 4, and exhale for 4. This simple technique can help activate your body's relaxation response and bring you back to the present moment. Let's recap the key points. Recognize when you're overthinking, practice mindfulness, challenge your thoughts, set aside time for reflection, move your body, show yourself compassion, limit information overload, journal your thoughts, seek support when needed, focus on gratitude, practice acceptance, and use breathing exercises to calm your mind. Remember, overcoming overthinking is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. If you're looking for a quick way to break the cycle of overthinking, try the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 grounding technique. Name 5 things you can see, 4 things you can touch, 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can smell, and 1 thing you can taste. This exercise helps anchor you in the present and distracts your mind from racing thoughts. Finally, remember that you have the power to change your relationship with your thoughts. Overthinking doesn't have to control your life. With practice and patience, you can learn to calm your mind and find more peace in your everyday life. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more content. Sharing this video helps the channel reach more amazing people like yourself. See you in the next video.